How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get six-pack abs at home step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the best I've ever got my abs, you guys, I was doing one exercise, literally one exercise. That's all I was doing it. I was doing it at the end of basically, I was doing it at the end of my workouts every other day. So normally I train about 6 times a week. So I train usually a push-pull leg, push-pull leg. Again, push-pull leg, and then push-pull leg. Usually Monday to Saturday, and then I take Sunday off. I would train with flutter kicks every other day. So it would normally be like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I would do flutter kicks. I would normally do about 1 minute of flutter kicks for one set, and I would normally do between 3 to 5 sets. That's all I did. It seems like, oh, that's it. It's actually very tough to do flutter kicks for a long period of time. Your abs literally they're on fire, you guys. Like, they're burning so much, but that's what it takes to get the abs, you guys. And the thing about flutter kicks is it works the lower abs, and those are super important. A lot of people don't have issues getting the top 4. It's those bottom 2. If you can get the bottom 2 to really, really show, that's how you get a nice looking six-pack. Because again, a lot of people, they might have like a faded six-pack. You can't really see it that good. If you can get those bottom 2 abs to really pop out, that is how you get nice looking six-pack abs, you guys. So I would try that. Don't do it every single day because your abs are like a muscle. They need to rest, but just try doing flutter kicks. Time yourself, do about 1 minute sets, and then do this for, again, 3 to 5 sets. So you'll do, again, 3 to 5 sets, about 1 minute a set for flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are super easy. Again, I say they're super easy. They're actually very difficult if you do them for about a minute. If you can do them for a minute, no problem. Try doing 2 or 3 minutes. The longest set I've ever done of flutter kicks was 5 minutes straight. And my abs were they were burning so much, you guys. So that's my tip. I would do it at the end of the workout. I know a lot of people give a whole day for abs. I don't think that's necessary. When I do my push-pull legs, I'm bench pressing, I'm doing overhead press. That overhead press works my core, works my abs. On my pull, I'm deadlifting, that works my abs. On my legs, I'm doing squats, that works my abs as well. So indirectly, I am hitting my abs actually quite frequently, but directly only every other day. Hopefully that will help you guys out. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.